Good afternoon, everyone. So excited to have you here with me, taking a look at this new project by Rockaway. Let's go ahead and get into it. So complete redo of this front area. Wanted to bring lots and lots of color in. So we've got great blue days, the lobelia, the salvia, great perennials. They're gonna bloom throughout our warm season. We topped it off by the front bendleboard here. This is a really great recycled product. It's also gonna last a long time. It allows us to get these really nice curves throughout a bed, and it's not gonna be damaged by somebody stepping on it. It's not gonna fold, it's not gonna bend. It's gonna be there for years to come. Nice podocarpus hedge in the back. Big fan of that. It's gonna get a little bit of height, fill in really nicely, but we're not gonna have these hedgerows upon hedgerows that we see so often now. Just kind of a nice base against the back with these big pops of color in the front. This is going to be really great once it starts to grow in. Top it off over here with this nice bird of paradise. He's going to get some size to him over time. And then we ended it with a fruit tree. Miss Nestor here was really excited about her lemon tree and getting some produce here in the next year or so. So moving into the back, this property already had a really nice deck, but just wanted to add some extra features. So what we did was we came in and we added this little landing pad, which now holds their grill. So, already a great space, but just a little bit of a design tweak to add a little bit more room and keep their seating area. So moving into this backyard, really excited. So the Nestors already had this great pool. We came in and went ahead and put down this artificial turf all the way around the outside here. Really gave zero maintenance in this area, but still allows their dogs to have a good time back here. Really easy to clean up that pet waste, and it's gonna last a long, long time. Moving right along, we came over here and matched the decking to build this enclosure for their pool pump. It's gonna add a little bit of a sound break from that constant buzzing of that pump going for the pool, and is also a really nice design feature over here. And then over here in the back, we really just did a little bit of a cleanup. Ms. Nestor had some shell along this area. Wasn't really happy with how it felt on her feet. So we came in, put a really nice rock, larger size. If she does want to walk barefoot, it's gonna be a little bit more pain-free on the feet. But moving along this side of the house, we continued this rock path all the way out. We wanted something against the house that was going to last for a long time, give a little bit of color, but also be able to withstand this kind of odd sun exposure. So the matchstick bromeliad kind of hits all those points. It's going to do really well throughout the summer. It's going to bloom several times. It'll be fine in the winter. It's pretty cold hardy. It's also going to kind of stay in this small confined space. So it hits all those marks that we were looking for on this side. Thanks again for tagging along with me on this latest project by Rockaway. If you are looking for something that's in here, artificial turf, decking, any kind of carpentry, pergolas, fencing, softscapes, hardscapes, we can take care of all that for you. Give us a call, book a consult, and we can turn your outdoor dreams into reality.